Ready to instantly connect with potential clients visiting your Kvcore website? Let's dive right into how to add a live chat feature that can turn those website visitors into qualified leads, boosting your engagement and conversion rates. First, log into your Kvcore platform. Next, navigate to the Kvcore Marketplace. This is where you'll find various add-ins and integrations to enhance your website functionality. Look for the section labeled Integrations or Add-ins. Search for a live chat provider. Several popular options integrate seamlessly with Kvcore, such as LiveChat, Chatra, or even free options like TalkTo. If you are on a budget, select the one that best fits your needs and budget. Once you've chosen your live chat provider, click on its listing to learn more. Review the pricing, features, and integration instructions carefully. You may need to create an account with the chosen provider if you don't already have one. Follow the provided instructions to connect your Kvcore website to the live chat service. This usually involves copying a code snippet provided by the chat service and pasting it into the appropriate section of your Kvcore website settings. This is often in the head greater than section or body section of your website's code. In your Kvcore dashboard, navigate to the website settings or code insertion section, then carefully paste the code snippet into the designated area. Save your changes. Finally, visit your Kvcore website to confirm that the live chat window is displaying correctly. Test the chat functionality to ensure it's working as expected. Now you are ready to engage clients, increase user experience, and convert traffic to leads.